Metamask is an over-the-counter wallet that allows you to receive, store and send cryptocurrency assets. Metamask works as an extension for browsers of the Google Chrome family, and Consensus is the developer of the wallet. The head of this company is Joseph Lublin, co-founder of Ethereum. To date, the extension has more than 10 million users worldwide. Metamask is one of the most convenient and versatile tools for accessing decentralized applications. For example, it is supported by such industry giants as Uniswap and PancakeSwap. How does Metamask work? All transactions and all wallet balances are stored on the blockchain, and the owners of private keys have the right to access them. Metamask stores these keys in encrypted form and allows users to manage cryptocurrency. Transactions are signed and sent to the blockchain on the user's computer, and the wallet can be connected to decentralized applications. Metamask is very secure and trustworthy. The source code is public and has been verified by many people. The only vulnerability is your computer where you use Metamask. For example, if you have a virus and it can access your computer and hack into your wallet accordingly. Metamask never sends your private keys and passwords to servers. They are always stored locally on your computer. This means that Metamask is technically a standalone software wallet that you turn on whenever you need to use it. For storing, receiving and sending cryptocurrencies, Metamask does not charge a commission. In fact, it is a free wallet. For example, when sending Ethereum, you only pay gas to the miners to successfully complete the transaction. To sum it up, Metamask is a software wallet that you can use in a browser and interact with decentralized applications. It can store multiple private keys and can work on different networks like Ethereum, Binance and Polygon. Metamask is also safe, which is why it is one of the most popular wallets.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall